Right guys, in this video I will show you how to request a review by YouTube. So if you've got a video that is limited and it's not monetized, I will show you now. Look guys, I've got one short video that is limited suitability. So what I'm gonna do to ask for review to monetize this video, you click onto the monetization logo and then you go here guys, request human review. You tick this box and within 7 days one of the YouTube moderators will review it. If they think it's suitable, it will be monetized guys. So fingers crossed guys, wish me luck. And obviously if you've got a video that is yellow, add suitability, then ask for a review. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe and I will catch you on the next video guys. Thanks for watching.